Basic info. Model number, 7 Plus. Status, upcoming. Release date, launch in 2018. Colors, gloss black, matte white. Body metal body. Water and dust proof, no. SIM type, hybrid dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby. Technology, GSM, CDMA, HSBA, EVDO, LTE. OS, Android 8.0, Oreo. Processor, Octa-core 2.2 GHz Cortex-A53. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. Adreno 508. Memory, RAM, 4 GB, 6 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Card slot, microSD, up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Display size, 5.5 inches. Type, IPS LCD. Resolution, 1920 x 1080 pixel. PPI, 424 pixel density. Multi-touch, yes. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Camera. Primary, 16 megapixel. Video, yes, 2160p at 30 fps. Flash, dual LED flash. Features, geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Secondary, 8 megapixel. Battery, Li-ion battery. Capacity, 3300 mAh. Removable, non-removable. Browsing, HTML5. Fast charging, yes, fast battery charging, 18W, 9V/2A. Wireless charger, no. Network. 2G network, GSM, SIM1 and SIM2. Sigma 800T, Sigma 3G network, HSDPA. CDMA 2001 ZEV2. 4G network. Speed, HS PAR 42.2/5.76 bits per second. Day, 2Ca, Cat6 300/15 bits per second. GPS, yes. EDGE, yes. Connectivity. Wallen, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac. Dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth, 5.0, A2DP, LA. USB, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. GPS, yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. NFC, yes. Audio jack, 3.5mm audio jack, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Others. Sensors, fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Radio, FM radio. Thanks for viewing my video.